Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to enable VSync on Ubuntu Nightmares 3. Let's begin. First of all, we want to head into our settings. Then, let's go into Video tab. And right below Resolution Scaling, we have VSync. As you can see, currently it is set to off, and we can just enable it like that. It's important to note that VSync is responsible for syncing your frame rate with your monitor display rate, though usually it actually results, well, somehow in smoother experience, but many people actually support and say that, well, you also have drop downs in your frame rates, so that's not a very good option, but once again it's completely up to you if you want to enable it or not. Though for the performance reasons, personally I would actually disable this. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.